Hi guys, my name is Grace. I'm studying public relations and corporate communications at Kingston University, and today I wanted to talk to you about some things that you need to know before applying as a master's student or as an international student in general. So I hope you will enjoy it. Studying a master's degree can be really expensive, so it's important and necessary to make a budget before applying and before starting your master's degree. It's always possible to find a scholarship or have access to a loan. And if it's not the case, don't worry, you have the possibility to find a job on and off campus as a part-time job. I did it, and I'm an international blogger here at Kingston University. But my biggest advice here is don't underestimate your expenses, because you never know what can happen. So discipline yourself and respect your budget. It is really important for you to learn and understand the educational system here in the UK, because it can be totally different from the one you know in your own country. So try to do your own research about it. As international student and especially market students, we have a lot of time by ourselves. It doesn't mean that we don't have a lot of work, but it's a time where you have to improve your craft. You have to learn more about your subject, do your own research, read a lot, find articles and books that can help you for your assignments and for your dissertations. So don't waste your time. Manage your time in an effective way, I would say. In Belgium, where I'm from, the master's degree is 2 years. Here, it lasts only 1 year. That means that everything is more intensive, because we only have a short period of time. Time management is the key here, but at the same time, don't forget, take care of yourself, to enjoy maybe your hobbies or meet people, have a social life. Don't stay alone, because it can be harder when you are doing everything by yourself and not balancing your life perfectly. Because you are a master's degree student, your lecturers and teachers expect you to have some knowledge, to have some work experience. So here they will ask you to share your opinion with your classmates during the group project and the group assignments. So don't be afraid to talk. But at the same time, you are here to learn. You don't know everything. So if you made a mistake during the class or in your assignments, you can improve. You can learn for the next assignment. Don't be afraid to share your opinion. Overall, I think the most important thing here is to love your subject. So when you apply, ask yourself, do I really like this subject? Can I see myself speaking about it every single day for 1 year, reading about it? You have to be passionate about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. That's all from me today. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.